Do you like champagne?
There we go. I don't have to do anything.
Do you like
Trains off the
cognac?
Yep. I like.
I know you like fucking sugar cubes, so you better watch this.
Oh, I'm gonna watch it.
Little diabetic monkeys, you.
Welcome to Cognac Cocktails. Dan, Derrick, and Ian are gonna make for you the champagne cocktail. This is gonna go out of order because I recorded the last one before this one. So if we're a little bit rowdy,
you're gonna like it.
But if we're a little bit rowdy, it's
all right.
because we actually recorded one in advance. We did the bourbon cocktail. This is gonna be better.
Got the obligatory.
2,
You're all drunk.
I
3.
don't even have a buzz.
Yeah, but you're I'm sure you
4.
did. But you're because by this point you have already had it.
The champagne cocktail. This is what you're gonna do.
Yeah.
I know Ian's gonna put this on.
You have to have a sugar cube.
The sugar cube.
Yeah, you're gonna need a sugar cube.
Yeah, not granulated sugar, but an actual cube.
Cube, yeah.
You go the
And
other
that
way.
sugar
Yeah.
cube looks great.
So you take a sugar cube. I'll show you what they look like.
Good job, Ian. Good job.
You get your sugar cube. This is a sugar cube.
You have to do a sugar cube.
It's like
you can use them in old fashions too. So you can use them for this cocktail and old fashions.
No reason not to have them, and they don't go bad.
That's right.
So you take a sugar cube.
I really like them.
You take 2 to 3 dashes of Angostura, or enough to like saturate the cube.
Okay. Depends on the size of the cube, obviously.
Yep. You add yourself in some brandy, about an ounce. 4 to 6 ounces of champagne. That glass is like, what do you get? I guess 8, maybe.
Yeah, probably.
And then you're done. Orange sliced maraschino cherry. Cherry in glass.
I've never put a maraschino cherry in before.
On glass. Cherry in glass. I haven't either. So I've also never used brandy. So first time for everything. And now you get to appreciate the look. When Ian brings it over here, you'll see what I'm talking about.
It's beautiful.
Do we want to go all the way to the top with the
A
champagne?
little bit more champagne.
More? Just to get the orange in there a little bit.
Yeah, like half.
Because I don't think you want
Which makes it taste more Christmassy.
to kill it.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
So what's gonna happen now
And they get excited.
is that the sugar starts to foam and it creates this cool effect. So what I think the recipe said was like you wait for it to finish, but that's stupid.
Yeah, I
That's a
mean,
long time.
yeah.
It's gonna take
I'm very excited.
if you're looking to impress a woman, this is the drink.
And they like champagne.
Okay, if
like,
you're
they have to
looking-
like bubbles.
Like champagne.
Yeah, they have
Now-
to like champagne bubbles.
Right. Let me rephrase. If you're
I'm gonna
looking,
drink it now.
If you're looking to impress a girl, this ain't gonna work.
As long
If
as
you're
they're
looking to
not
impress a
allergic
woman,
to any of the ingredients.
this is a woman drink, not a girl drink. Girl drink is like Fireball. Woman drink is this. I like the little cherries bouncing around in there.
It's a good drink.
So you can use brandy. I'm using a Courvoisier cognac. It's the VS. So the lower end of the cognac for the...
Not champagne guy, but I like that.
What was that? You don't like champagne?
I'm not a big champagne guy, but I like that.
It's good.
If you like bubbles, and you like drinking champagne, but you don't want like champagne straight up, these are good drinks to try.
There's a lot of things you can do with champagne, right? I mean,
Yeah.
there's a standard like Key Royale, or you throw some elderberry.
Key Royale!
Yeah.
We did that one.
Yeah, with creme de cassis, or
Yeah,
a lot of times
yeah.
you use the Chambord,
And if you
because
would like
not everybody
to
has
use
creme de
Creme
cassis.
de cassis is like, if you have
It's
that,
not
you're...
far off.
Yeah, but you just get Chambord. You find more uses for it practically.
I like cassis berry though, so I like the flavor of
Oh,
cassis.
what did you make? We did a
We
contest.
did the aviation. He tried it with the aviation.
Yes, that was it. It was the
Lost.
aviation creme
To me.
cassis.
Derrick, you put that in the.
Do you need
Spot,
this
right?
back up there?
You
Nope.
need the drink.
No.
Oh, we put it up there.
No, you got it.
You got it.
Drink it.
It's all good.
That's good.
Yep.
And if you can actually use decent champagne with this too.
This drink is mainly champagne. There's
That's
not
okay.
not all of the recipes call for a brandy added in. I've done a champagne cocktail. It was with
You could use like Vouv.
you and I have
Vouv
done
is
the
probably
champagne.
like
Use Vouv in
Vouv
this.
is probably like a good champagne that you can.
Vouv.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vouv.
Vouvet. The Vouv.
It's pretty popular.
Okay.
It's like a mainstream, like middle of the road champagne.
That's why you've heard of it.
So it's not cupcake.
No. No.
Everybody
Champagne's from
likes the
France. Cupcakes aren't from France.
I like the Vouv.
If you like.
Is that
bubbles,
slang for vagina? Like vulva?
No.
cupcake. No. Shh. Did that come out of
If
your
you
mouth?
like bubbles, that's right. If you like bubbles.
Pickup lines by
Like
Pitos.
cupcake.
Do you like bubbles?
Do you like bubbles?
So no cupcake.
Do you like bubbles that tickle your nose?
Give me
Jump into
cupcake
my van,
champagne.
kid, if you like bubbles.
Come for a ride with me and I will get you some bubbles.
And candy.
My nondescript white van.
Yes. Don't worry about why the windows are dark.
Yeah, it's okay. You got bubbles.
I wrote candy myself because I'm an artist.
I legitimately have no idea what the fuck is going on, and I'm not even
The
drunk.
train went off
So
the track.
the champagne cocktail is
So,
on point.
so for the tasting notes,
Oh.
it's sweet yet dry, bubbly, a little bit of Angostura, so you're gonna get that allspice,
Allspice,
the,
yes.
the nutmegs, the Christmassy flavors. This
I
is
like the Cavassier in there.
the Cavassier is a nice addition. If you don't have Cavassier, use your brandy, cognac of
Hennessy,
choice,
whatever. Yeah.
Hennessy.
You can put it in your pocket.
Hennessy
A Bellini,
White.
that's the other one I was thinking of, a Bellini.
Oh, Bellini.
Bellini, yeah, that's orange juice though, right?
That's
Peach
right.
Peach, yeah.
It's so
I was gonna do
Bellini's
that one.
like puree where like a mimosa's juice.
Yeah.
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, it's
Peach
not
versus orange, I think.
The only reason why I know that because I really love brunch. There's nothing better to me than brunch.
Yeah, brunch is
I love it brunch.
Even though most chefs hate brunch, it is the best.
I love brunch.
You're the best white girl ever.
Oh my god, I am. I fucking love
Dan
it.
is
I
Dan.
will brunch any Sunday, whenever.
Dan's
No
like,
idea.
Dan's like, I'll take a brunch and a
Give
white
me a
claw.
mimosa and a bloody, and I am good to go.
Okay,
You can put him in the corner. He will self-entertain for
Yeah,
like 2
I am
hours.
fine.
hold on.
Yes.
Give me a Bloody Mary bar,
Wait, in
and I'll
order-
be even happier.
In order to
I
stop,
like to do my own toppings.
but wait, I need to stop the comments that are happening and they're
Okay.
typing. They're typing right now. They're like, Dan is gay, right? No, Dan isn't
okay.
gay. You guys
We
can
just-
enjoy a brunch,
I
a
like
white
brunch.
claw, and whatever else he said.
I don't. No. Fuck White Claw.
Yeah.
White
That-
Claw.
Yeah, I don't drink fucking White.
Easy there,
Yeah,
small
easy
guy.
there, small guy. Medium guy says no fucking White Claw, right, big guy?
Yeah, no white claw.
That's right, little guy.
Listen,
You better get the. You better check your shit.
He's still taller than you with his hair.
your hair doesn't count.
White Claw is outlawed.
Hair doesn't count.
I have the same problem, so
Now brunch, champagne drinks. I'm into that.
Bloody Marys, like
Bloody Marys, mimosas.
that doesn't
all
make,
good.
All I'm saying is it doesn't make you gay. You can be. And here's the thing: if you're a guy and you're like that's totally gay, think about it this way: if you do what Dan says, you're gonna get the chicks. Because I don't know if you've noticed, I have, but chicks like gay guys. So if they see Dan, they're like, "Oh, he's the safety guy. We can go up and we
He's
can hug him."
married.
And
Yeah.
I get it.
And he's married.
it doesn't mean he's not attractive. Doesn't mean he's not attractive. He can be married and attractive.
You're ruining
That's
my narrative.
It's okay.
Alright.
to
Same
like
train,
that.
different-
This train back on the track.
All right.
Same train, different routes.
Champagne drinks good.
Champagne drink,
Still not
good. Champagne cocktail, super classic. If you want to know the history, me and Jalith have done the champagne cocktail with history on the channel.
Yeah.
I'll put it here. Now you have your history
Or there.
and you have your laughs all at the same time.
Right, big guy?
That's why we're
You
here.
got a medium guy.
Oh Jesus Christ! I have to be small. I'm not. Nobody references me as small guy.
No, we just said big guy, medium.
I
I'm,
didn't
I'm
even
starting to get some George Costanza vibes, and it's starting to bother me.
Small guy. I didn't say small guy.
What?
All right.
We'll just call you Guy, like we're in Boston.
What are we doing here?
Guy.
We're teaching how to drink.
We're teaching you how to drink.